scroll. Go to manual mode. Enter. You got your rear jacks, front jacks, nice and easy. And once they hit the ground, retract or extend. Once they hit the ground, do the auto level feature, which I have not done yet to level this. I just moved it to a new spot. Not sure if you can hear all the creaking and all the moving parts, but those are the jacks auto leveling. The light switch, light switch, light switch. We're gonna do the awning. We're gonna do the slides out. There's a vehicle here, so I'm not doing it all the way. The other side is clear. You can see how well they open up. Power. Power. Jack still leveling out. Power. I don't know if propane's equipped, and I didn't flip that up, so I'm not doing that. Power. Power fan. AC. Then this is awning extend. You can see it beginning to extend.